the Filipino people and all those who will be supporting Charlie?
Yeah, like I said earlier, I mean, we need a lot of support. The energy needs to be high. We're confident. I'm confident in your win, Charlie, and in your health and everything else moving forward. Just like Gub says, win at all costs. And we're there for you. We're there by your side. And the heart of the Filipino is behind you as well.
Okay, thank you, Coach Delphine. Invite mo or appeals sa mga Pinoy.
Una-una, nananawagan ako sa lahat ng mga Pilipino sa United States, lalo na doon sa San Diego, California. Sa darating na laban ni Charlie itong May 18 sa Pachingari Arena, San Diego, California. So, suportahan niyo po si Charlie. Yung mga tao naman dito sa Pilipinas, kung hindi man tayo makapanood, I-invite kayong manood sa pay-per-view. Malaking support na po yun sa team yung manonood sa pay-per-view. Kung hindi man makapanood doon sa live. Yan na po. Thank you.
Okay, Charlie?
Sa lahat ng mga Pilipino, pag-pray nyo lang po ako sa laban na ito. Yan po. Kasi nasabi na ni Coach lahat. So, pag-pray nyo na lang po ako sa laban ko.
God bless you. And Gog, next time po, ilang pa huli?
Nagpapasalamat kami sa suporta ng media at kailangan tayo lahat Pilipino, karangalan natin kung manalo si Charlie. So ipagdasal natin lahat. Gusto ko lang dagdag, itong team na ito, puro Pilipino, because Rick naman tayo sa Filipino Gladys. Saka pag-aasawa yan dito.
Alright, thank you very much our ladies and gentlemen. Pagdasal po natin ang ating kababayan, ang Team Suarez, kalan po ng Philippine Sports Writers Association. Maraming salamat, and we will be behind you for this quest for a world title. Maraming salamat po. This is the PSA for today. Okay, salamat po. And we would like to request our distinguished guest to remain for the awarding ng PSA trophy to our champion. Chairman. Of course, we'd like to call on Chairman,
Chairman
PSA
Bachman,
Chairman
please.
Richard Bachman.
Oo.
Our PSA President Francis Ochoa of the Philippine Daily Inquirer. Together with the Governor, Coach, and Rick. Tabi mo si Rick and